How to make a video collage on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So when you tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see the options of photos, story, reels or live. Now, let me remind you that the process of making a video collage is possible only on your Reels. So select on Reels section and here you'll be able to see the option of video layout. So simply tap on video layout. As you tap on it, you can select the layout that you most prefer, and after that you can simply tap on these sections and select any of the video that you'd want to make the collage of. So I'm going to select two videos over here randomly just to make a video collage and show you how to do it on Instagram. And as you do that, you can simply tap on this check mark at the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on it and then you'll be able to make a video collage on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.